Hey everybody, Josh over here at CFT Performance. Today I want to do a quick little demonstrational install video of our turbo inlets and our full fabbed intakes that go onto them too. So this is a 5.0 Cummins motor that you find in the XD Cummins. We make quite a few products for this. So real simple, this would be your factory turbo intake, is this unit right here. It is bolted on with one bolt that holds it onto this bracket, and it's usually turned the other direction. So to install one of our full fabbed intakes, it is incredibly simple. All you're going to do is take off the factory clamp right here, and also the factory clamp, the two sensors found in the factory plastic piece, and then you'll be able to remove your air box, and that whole entire unit goes out. You'll put the factory sensors into the provided bungs that we have in our intake with the provided hardware that we put with it also. We'll also supply you with a boot that will go on to the factory turbo inlet. Then literally our unit will slide right into the boot. There's one mounting bracket. You'll literally see as soon as you put it on that this mounting bracket goes straight to the firewall, and you'll find a bolt with a line that's got a rubber grommet on it. You'll take that bolt out and you'll take the supplied longer bolt that we supply you with, it goes right in there and it bolts it straight to the firewall. Put the air filter on it, bolt it all in, go and enjoy it. Make sure you plug your sensors back in, of course, too. Now the next step is, what if you got our nice fully fabbed turbo inlet? We offer these in two styles. We offer the race use non-CC vent, which is this little port right here. This is your CCV, your crankcase vent. This has a hose that literally runs from this unit right here right into the CCV. Now, every time we get asked, do you need it or do you not need it? This is only for this option right here. All you need to do is go look. Do you have this connected to this? And are you planning on keeping that connected? If the answer is yes to any of that, you will be needing a hose barb welded on here, which we provide, which is the CCV option. If you are going to run an atmospheric catch can and you have tuning and you're not going to run that, no, you do not need the hose barb to go onto this. That is that simple. So to remove this unit, there's a few different ways you could do it. If you have already done one of our EGR solution kits, you'll be able to see you got plenty of room on the inside of here to be able to get to the one hose clamp that holds this on. And once you loosen that hose clamp, this will pull out. It's that simple. One bolt, one hose clamp, and of course, possibility of one hose for your CCV. You'll take the provided boot that we give, goes directly onto the turbo, and this unit will go directly down in just like factory. And it'll sit in there just like so, just like the factory unit does too. Then you take the clamps provided and tighten all the clamps. It's that simple, that easy, and that's how fast and easy it's done. Now, like I said, if you have a completely emissions intact unit, you could still use it. It's just a little bit tighter because you have all the emissions components for the EGR unit that runs underneath. So you don't got room to stick down in here. So different things you could do is you can remove the whole entire unit, intake and all, or you just work a little bit at it and you'll be able to get to it on the other sides and be able to put it in. Usually most people only get that whenever they're doing the rest of the racing upgrade kits. So that is that for our intake and our turbo inlet. If you got any questions, comment below. Try to get to you all. Also emails, cftperformance.com for all orders. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much.